Now, how many
Help us.
shirts did you have on of mine? No, I think you had more than two. Yeah, let's pull those pants up. Pull the pants up.
Pants up.
You gotta pull your pants up. Hold on to the pants. Hold on to the pants. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. What? Count how many we have here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 shirts, Aubrey? You had 10 of my shirts on.
Aubrey and I can watch the TV.
Put those under there. Put them under there.
Put them away, sweetie.
Come.
Okay.
Up here.